shooting, just like I practiced it. But thank God Skip let me rap again. Wait, I'll always pass on some cool shit on any day that has some smooth shit.
too good to be true.